any music videos or YouTube videos, you might often see the glassmorphism motion effect like the one shown in the video. In fact, this kind of cool effect can be created easily with VideoProc Vlogger. So if you're interested in this one, keep watching. This effect is actually accomplished mostly by Chroma Key. First, we need a laser image in solid green. After importing it into VideoProc Vlogger, click the plus icon here. Create a new overlay track. Then, import a green screen into this track. Adjust the size. Make it a rectangle, like the one shown in the picture. Next, to make a better effect, we create a gray shade for the glass. Copy the rectangle to the overlay track above. Then, click on Color to go to the color editor. Adjust the saturation and luminance of the green color in HSL to make it gray. Click Apply. Then, in Transform, adjust the X-coordinate to make it a shade of the glass. Finally, we create a second layer, and that is a Chroma Key in blue color. Drag the green screen into video track again. Then, click on Color. Use HSL to adjust the hue value of the green color to make it blue. Click on Apply. Now here we have a picture like this. Next, we're going to animate this image. Click on this button to take a screenshot of the image. Then, delete all the clips from the timeline. And import a screenshot to the overlay track. Then let it fit your screen. Click Motion to enter the motion editor. Add a keyframe to the leftmost part of the timeline and adjust the preview window to make it tilt like this. Then, add a second keyframe in the right place on the timeline. Drag the window so that it shifts parallel to the right. Finally, add a keyframe to the far right of the timeline. Now, a simple glass sliding effect is complete. Of course, to make the effect better, you can also add the velocity curve of the movement like this. Then, click Apply to return to the main screen. Next, we import a video clip into VideoProc Vlogger. Drag and drop it on the video track. Then, click the clip on the overlay track. Use Chroma Key to remove the green part. But this is far from what we want for the effect definitely, and will lead to something more. Click Video Track and enter the color editor. Select a filter on the left side here. And here I choose a yellowish filter to make the picture look better. Then, adjust other parameters. Click Apply. Rescale the image to about 1.3. Crop the material on the video track to keep at the same length as that of the overlay track. Click Export to export your video. Finally, let's import a video we just exported into VideoProc Vlogger again. Putting the original footage into the video track. Place the one we re-import into the overlay track. Finally, use Chroma Key to remove the blue part. Now, a glass morph motion effect is done. Alright, so now I think you've already learned how to create a glass morph motion effect in your video. And if you want to learn more about editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. and we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!